What's going on, everybody? I hope that you're having an absolutely fantastic day. I just came home and I came home to a little treat in the mail from Corksport. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you guys what's inside because it's pretty cool. So I got you guys sitting here. Hopefully you can see. Oh, somebody took my blade. I don't even know why it was taken out. Coming home to parts is always cool, even if they're little ones. Let's get this guy undone. So what we have here is Corksport's new valve cover hardware kit. So these are super cool, guys. They come in a bunch of different colors. I think, looks like they got, yeah, hold on. Let me put you down here. Alright, so as far as colors go, looks like we got black, red, clear anodized, gold, blue, and this one looks like a teal, maybe? And then they give you the option of stainless bolts or black, which is kind of cool that they include both in the kit. And they got these little O-rings in here, so let's look and see what we got in the instructions. Let's see if we can find where the O-rings come into play. Obviously the instructions are going to show you how to remove the valve cover, inserting new hardware. Okay, so I'm going to unpackage some of this stuff so I can show you exactly what we got going on here. Okay, so we got our three pieces out here, and now that I'm looking at it, you can see on the bottom of the spacer there is a little groove. Sorry it's a little blurry, my GoPro's not exactly good at focusing. So this little O-ring that they include in the kit slides over the bottom and it kind of seats itself inside that groove. So that is going to help seal up from the outside of the valve cover, so it'll go through the top. That O-ring will help seal it up. And then, much like the Mazda OEM hardware, they have this little ridge here and this flat section that is meant to hold your valve cover gasket in place. So by adding this little ridge and putting some more thought into these, Corksport is giving us a great little upgrade to dress up our valve covers and kind of dress the engine bay up a little bit, but they're retaining the function of the OEM hardware, which makes it really easy to get the gasket back in the right spot and kind of takes the headache out of that. So that is really, really cool. So if I take this guy and I stick the bolt through, I'll show you both options just for the heck of it, but this is the stainless bolt with the red spacer. Definitely a really cool look. Much nicer than what the OEM stuff was, so that's pretty neat. And here we are with the black bolt in place of the stainless. I definitely think the stainless looks cooler, so that's probably what I'll use. Alright guys, that is it. So small part, quick little video for the day. I want to thank Corksport for sending me out a valve cover hardware kit so that I could show you guys what's in the box. If you guys want a kit of your own, keep an eye out for them. They will be available within the next week or two. Obviously different colors like what I showed you guys on the front of the instructions. I actually have a plan for my valve cover before I install these, but when I do, we'll definitely be making a video. Thank you again to Corksport. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Go pick some of these up when they're available.